Hi all, welcome to AI in Automation Express channel. In this is the second video in the playlist of computer vision. So in this video, we will go through what is the difference between conventional UiPath automation methodology and computer vision automation methodology, and when we can use that side by side comparison, I will explain you in this video. So let's get started. So this is kind of a side-by-side comparison for UiPath automation, conventional method and the computer vision. So the first point is UiPath conventional automation is using a selectors to identify UI elements such as a button, text, input fields, etc. Right? So we all worked on these things, so we know, right? We need to go to UiPath Explorer and need to use the selectors to identify different UI elements. In other hand, computer vision is using machine learning servers and text OCR detection to identify UI elements. So as we've seen in previous video, UiPath computer vision is using machine learning algorithm which is based on neural network, and it will capture a screen of the particular screenshot, and from there it will identify buttons, text, different type of elements using machine learning algorithm, and based on that it will work. So this is the first major difference between these two. The second difference is some of the websites which is having a feature to infinite scrolling. So we see, right, like there is some grids and it has a legs of data, but the website will not show that data at one go, like when and where, and like you are scrolling down it, you will see more and more data. So whenever that type of functionality is there, the conventional UiPath automation tool is finding challenging, and we can still do with that, okay? But it doesn't have any out-of-box support from the UiPath side. So we need to do some additional provision using automation techniques, and that is like challenging, and it's not that seamless or robust, okay? But in a computer vision, we have one feature called runtime auto scroll activity. So that runtime auto scroll feature is supported in different activities, and using which we can very easily scroll this type of elements on the web page. We will use a delay screen refresh property of any activities. So we will cover that in detail in the next video. But for the purpose of difference, this is a one major feature update with the computer vision. The third point is a UiPath conventional automation is using a table extraction in automating table data extraction from the structured table and saves it to the data table. So table extraction is the technology which will use by the UiPath conventional automation methodology to extract any table structure from the web page. In the other hand, computer vision is using a CV extract table activity to recognize extract tables from the documents wearing a layout, structures, and design. So it is here the very important word is it with varying layout, structures, and design. So if there are scanned PDF, or there is a little bit difference in the clarity or color or font, so all those type of changes can be recognized by this CKey extract table activity, and it can able to extract that type of table as well. So this adaptivity make it suitable for handling wide range of documents, even those with the irregular and dynamic table formats. So this particular thing is not available in the conventional UiPath automation methodology. So wherever like you have some documents or some structures which has this type of scenario, you can use it, okay? The second point is using image recognition and machine learning techniques. It defines table structures and cell contents accurately in enabling the extraction more precisely. So image recognition means OCR techniques and machine learning algorithm, which is in-house developed by UiPath for computer vision. So using that, it is able to identify vast range of table structures and can get a data from it. Okay, so here it is only useful when we have a fixed structure on the web page and we want to extract it. We can do that using table extraction activity. And here we can use CV extractable activity, but the advantage here is a machine learning algorithm and OCR technique which it will apply. So we can use it even if in like irregular or dynamic table formats, or there are some minor change in the table font color, so those type of changes also can be recognized by this activity. So this is very good and very good enhancement from the computer vision side which we can use in real time scenario. The next difference is UiPath automation using various targeting method for interacting with the UiPath element. Depending on the activity and type of the applications you are automating, this targeting method help you specify how UiPath identifies and interact with those UI elements on the screen. So these are some of the example like anchor base. Okay, so anchor base means it will tell like, okay, what is my left side text which is easily identifiable, and based on that it will able to recognize the actual text which we were interested in. Okay, so that type of different targeting methods UI conventional UI automation is using, which is like selectors, anchor base, fuzzy selectors, and image automation. Whether in the computer vision side, unifying targeting technology to visually identify all the elements. Here it is using the OCR and neural network and machine learning. So this type of different methodology is not required. It is only using a smart anchor based activity to recognize any elements. Otherwise, there is no targeting technology required here. It has a very unified technology to identify any element, which is its OCR, its neural network engine, and its multi-anchor system or smart anchor system, which we are seeing, right? So it is more like a human recognized technique, okay, in the computer vision side. The next difference is UI automation is typically preferred when dealing with applications that have a structured and well-defined user interfaces with standard controls. And so this is very important point, like when to use UI automation and when to use computer vision. So you can preferred on the UI automation where you have a uh, fixed, structured, and well-defined user interface for that web page. So this will make suitable it for the like modern web-based applications or any desktop-based application where the structure is fixed. It has a structured format. It has a smart and like easy interface on the screen. Then you can use it. But whether in other hand, AI computer vision excels in the scenario that involves a dynamic user interface. So where you have a dynamic type of structure, for example, Pega table, um, or you are using a virtual environments. Okay, like you have a Citrix, you have a virtual machine, you have a remote desktop. Okay, where you need to open your application and you need to automate, then you need to use computer vision where direct access to UI element is very limited. So if you are like using Citrix or VDI or remote desktop, then those elements you cannot directly access with conventional UiPath automation techniques, but you have to go for the computer vision. It is also useful when automating tasks that requires extracting text and interacting with the elements based on images. So as we described in the previous difference, it is using machine learning algorithms, right? So if you have like a scanned table format, or it has a different type of font in the table, or it has a different color in the text. So all those type of different variation easily identified by computer vision, but not by the conventional UI automation. So in those cases also you have to use your computer vision activity. So they give an example like such as a invoice processing or data extraction from the scanned PDF. So this type of scenario you need to use a computer vision. So this last topic is clearly differentiate like when to use UI automation and when to use computer vision type of automation. So what is our moral of the story? A combination of UI automation and AI computer vision can offer a comprehensive solution to address various challenges. So in real scenario, both is equally useful, and whatever is applicable and whatever is easy to identify for your scenario, you can use it. So, for example, you have a PDF, okay, and in the PDF, you need to identify like which type of document it is, and it's that part of that particular document which is used to identify type of document is having a like different font or different color or different structure, right? So in that case, you can use computer vision, okay, and segregate the document. And later on, if you are interested in some of the field, like for example, name field, okay, and that name field is easily extractable by using like normal UiPath automation techniques, then you can apply normal UiPath automation techniques and extract data. Okay, so in that way, this is like just a one example, but likewise, you can use any of the one like UI automation or AI computer vision automation or combination of both and come up with the comprehensive solution which will achieve your task and which will make resilient and robust your process of automation. Okay. So hope this video is very useful and it will clear out like where to use computer vision and when to use UiPath automation, conventional automation techniques. Hope you guys enjoy this video and please subscribe to my channel and please provide your feedback about my content and if you want to learn any specific topic then also let me know. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.